Hi friends, it's me here with something critical info. We're going to talk about a cat. We will be showing cat images throughout this video. So if you don't like cats or you're scared of cats, then don't watch this video. Please only watch this video if you love cats. Are you sure you love cats? If not, don't watch. Okay, let's start. She loves to lounge around the house and soak up some sunbeams, but when Cleo isn't napping, she's busy licking her fur. She spends hours each day cleaning herself from her paws to her tail. Scene 1, we're going to create an image of a cat. The cat is going to be lying down comfortably, and there's going to be sunlight streaming through a window onto the cat. Let's generate the image. She licks and nibbles the end of it until it's perfectly clean and fluffy. Let's generate the image. Washing your hands, brushing your teeth, and bathing are important to stay fresh and healthy. Let's generate the image. When you wash your hands, you use soap and water to remove dirt and germs. Brushing your teeth helps keep them clean and looking white. Bathing washes away sweat and any stinky smells. Then she gives herself a final lick and a little shake. Just like when you get a haircut, Cleo feels so good when she's all cleaned up. Cleaning helps her feel calm and happy. It's like a relaxing massage. And there's nothing better than a good grooming session after a long day of napping and playing. First, they turn on the water and wash their faces. The cold water wakes them up and makes them feel refreshed. Next, they brush their teeth. They make sure to brush every part of their mouth, top and bottom, inside and out. They also don't forget to clean their tongues. After brushing, they rinse their mouths and spit out the toothpaste. Finally, they wash their hands. They scrub them with soap and water for 20 seconds. Then they dry their hands and are ready for the day. Every day, take time to clean yourself. Just like Cleo, stay happy, fresh, and healthy. It's going to be a real cat sitting in the sunlight, and it's going to be licking its paw and slowly washing its face. If you did, don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up to get more videos like this one. Also, don't forget to subscribe because it's free and you can always change your mind later. And another thing, if you want to send us a message, you can send a message on our page. We really appreciate all the support and see you next time. Bye-bye. They don't have access to showers or baths, so they rely on their tongues to get clean. The cat's going to be doing this while purring softly. All right, let's generate the image. Licking removes dirt and dead skin, keeping their fur soft and fluffy. It also helps them smell nice and feel fresh. The scene is going to be cozy and relaxed, set in a home environment. And we want to have a close-up on the cat's face and paws. Now generate the image. Every day, Cleo the clever cat spends hours licking her fur. But why does she clean herself so much? Meet Cleo the cat. Scene 2, we're going to create an image of a cat licking its fur very carefully. Cats like Cleo clean themselves to stay healthy. Scene 3, we're going to create an image of a cat stretching and grooming its tail. When Cleo finishes cleaning her body, she turns her attention to her tail. Scene 4, we're going to create an image of a smiling cartoon soap and a brush next to a photo of a real cat. And just like Cleo, kids need to stay clean too. Scene 5, we're going to create an image of happy children brushing their teeth and washing their faces in a bright and cheerful bathroom. In the morning, kids wake up and immediately head to the bathroom. So that was our cat video. I hope you liked it.